I'm going to show you how to fix Jurassic World Evolution 3 freezing or stuttering. So let's start. Firstly, you should go to the Windows taskbar, right click and select Task Manager. After that, you need to go to the search and type in Steam. If you do find it running, make sure to go select it, right click and then click on End Task in order to terminate the process. Now deselect the search. For the second step, you should check your CPU and memory usage and make sure to keep it below 100%. That way you will avoid any type of overclocking issues. It's so simple and easy how to do that. Just go search for any suspicious or useless application, right click on it and then select End Task. Do that for every possible service or application you will find right here. Now for the next method, you should go to the Windows icon right here and then select Settings. This will pop up, so go to the left menu and select Windows Update. After that, make sure to download the latest Windows updates by clicking on the Download and Install All button. However, if you do have failed updates, make sure to select Retry All. Next, go to the search and type in Services. Open that and then select any service appearing and type W in your keyboard. Search for Windows Update, double click on it and then make sure to go to the startup type, select it and put it on automatic. After that, you should change the service status from stop to running by clicking on the start button. I already have it as running. So after that, select apply and then OK. Now for the next method, you should go to the search again, type in device manager, open that. It will be displaying like this. Look for display adapters, click that thing and then go to your graphics card, right click and then select update driver. Now select search automatically for drivers and then close. Now look for processors, open that thing, select anyone, right click and then select update driver, click search automatically for drivers and then click close. Next, go to the search. If you do have an NVIDIA graphics card, you should type NVIDIA app, click that thing. If you don't find it right here appearing, make sure to go download it and set it up from the NVIDIA official website. Now it will be opening like this, so make sure to log in with your account. After that, go to your drivers in the left menu and click on download and install. After that, as you like, you can select custom or express installation. I prefer leaving it as default. Now click on continue in order to initiate the process of updating your driver. Once done, for the last method, go open the Steam launcher and then go to the top left corner, select the Steam icon, select check for Steam client updates, wait for it for the verification. If you do have a download button appearing next to the close button, make sure to select it in order to update your Steam version. Now click close. After that, go to your library and select collections. Once done, in the left menu, you can search for the game using this search bar. Select your game. After that, select this gear icon appearing and then click on properties. From here, you should go to install files in the left menu and click on verify integrity of game files. That way, any corrupted file that is responsible for the freezing issue will be completely restored and fixed. So you just need to wait for the process to finish. After that, all you have to do is to go to the Windows icon and restart your computer. And that's it. If you do find this video is helpful, consider like and subscribing and see you on the next one.